So in this video we're adding and subtracting algebraic fractions. Now you've got two examples here. Let's take a look at your first example. 3 on 4 minus a on 2. One fraction, subtract another fraction. Now you'll remember from year 8, I think it would have been, maybe year 7, that when you're adding fractions or subtracting fractions, the number one rule is to make the denominators the same. So here, 4 and 2, the common multiple, the lowest common multiple, is going to be 4. So the first fraction can stay exactly as it is, but this second fraction has to be multiplied by 2. And it needs to be multiplied by 2 top and bottom. Well, sorry, it needs to be multiplied by 1. And we do that by multiplying the top by 2 and the bottom by 2. If we multiply by 2 over 2, it's the same as multiplying by 1. So, 2 times 2 is 4, and a times 2 is 2a. Okay, now you'll remember that now all we need to do is subtract one fraction from another. And we do that by linking them using the denominator, and then just subtracting the top from the top. 3 minus 2a. That's it. That's the answer to that question. You're not going to get a nice neat little bit here. It's going to be 3 minus 2a. We can't go further because we can't group those terms because they're not like terms. And we end up with over 4 at the end. Looking at the second example, 2 over 5 plus 3a. This one's different because we've got a on the bottom. But we can still find a common multiple. And the easiest way to make these denominators the same is to multiply them by each other. So that means that I'm going to multiply the first fraction by a, top and bottom, to make 5a. So if I multiply 2 by a, I'll get 2a. And then I'm going to multiply a by 5, so I get 5a. And if I multiply the bottom by 5, I have to multiply the top by 5, 15. After that, the denominators are the same, 5a top and bottom, so it's going to be 2a plus 15, 15 plus 2a, or you can write it as 2a plus 15, doesn't matter, or 2a plus 15. Okay, now that's as far as we can go. We could simplify it perhaps, but there's no common factor between the top and the bottom, so we can't simplify. In some of the questions you will be able to simplify them. Alright, that's adding and subtracting algebraic fractions. Try it out.